He left her without warning. No goodbye. No closure. Just silence and a text that said, "You deserve better." But what he didn't know is that he just set her free. For weeks she replayed every moment. The laughter, the plans, the lies disguised as forever. She blamed herself for not being enough. Until the pain got so loud it finally spoke truth. He didn't leave because she lacked value. He left because she carried depth he couldn't handle. While he chased applause, she carried peace. And peace never competes for attention. She cried until she had nothing left to say. And in that silence something shifted. She stopped waiting to be chosen and started choosing herself. The woman who once begged for love became the one others prayed for. She didn't post revenge pictures or write cryptic captions. She disappeared and worked on herself in private. The same girl he thought would crumble was reborn in the quiet, building something he'd never understand: peace. Every morning she got up earlier, read books instead of texts, prayed instead of pleading. And somewhere between heartbreak and healing, she met the real her. Months later he came back. Not because he loved her, but because she'd become everything he wasn't ready for. But this time she smiled and said, "Thank you for teaching me what love isn't." See, life has a strange way of breaking you just enough to rebuild you better. She thought losing him was the end, but it was actually the introduction to the woman she was meant to be all along. Now she's not chasing anyone. She's attracting peace, purpose, and people who see her worth. Because sometimes the heartbreak you pray away is the door God uses to lead you home.